Hey guys, it's Hannah here again with another video. Today we're gonna be we're supposed to be replacing a filter for the Tesla Model 3, especially during this pandemic time with all that's going on. But we have not received the filter because of the delays. So, but what I am going to do is change or clean out the filter instead, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. So first of all, here is the Tesla filter. There's actually two of them. This third one I'm going to talk about later. This is a filter that I actually ordered that goes here outside. It's an extra filter that I was able to get, which Tesla doesn't come with this one. So if you know that the Model S and Model X of Tesla come with HEPA filter, but this one does not. So for the Model 3, I went ahead and ordered this. These two filters do come with the Tesla, and Tesla recommends to change it once every 2 years. Now we have been driving the car for about a year and a half, so and the filter actually goes here, so it's at the passenger side. We went ahead and removed, there are 5 screws. These screws right here, they're not really actually screws, they're like a little plastic thing that we went ahead and removed. And there is one screw that's all the way up there. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see if I can put the light. There is a screw that goes all the way up here. And hold on, let me see. I can show you guys. And this is the screw. And it's actually a hexagon. It's a T15, which I have right here, and I was able to get it out. So this is something that you can do yourself. When I went ahead is because I didn't get the filter just yet, and I actually ordered the HEPA filter. So they sell these, Tesla doesn't sell it, but third party sells Tesla Model 3 HEPA filters. I'm just waiting for mine. It's supposed to be coming May 1st, but and I have a Dyson here, and I went ahead and actually went through the grooves of each one, and I was able to put this in just like this. I'll just show you in a groove, and just clean out all the dirt that was inside. So but before I put these back, I also spray them with, I'll show you guys here. And none of these products are actually no sponsors or anything. It's just these things I use. Kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. So I went ahead and sprayed the Lysol in this one, and I sprayed both sides as well. And I just left them out here to dry. Before I put these back, what I'm going to do, I'm using this Cool It, it's called. It's a vapor and heater foam cleaner. So if we sense like a little smell from the AVAC system, I guess after a year and a half of living in New Jersey and actually driving to South Carolina, Canada, and doing a lot of road trips, you end up, the AC gets to smell a little bit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish this whole can, which is not a big can, and it comes with an adapter here, and we're gonna put that foam inside. And the direction is you put it inside, you leave it for 15 minutes, right? It's about 7:38 right now, and what I'm going to do is put that in there, but I'm also going to put some of it in the front, and I'll show you where as well. But before you do that, just don't want to make a mess. 1 second. Alright, so I'm going to show you where the foam is actually going to go. So it's actually going to go inside of here. And that's where it's going to be. So let me see. Show you guys. Hope you guys see. Yeah, there it is. Alright, I'm going to put some in here. And once I put it, I'll show you guys again how it looks like. Alright, so we went ahead and sprayed some inside, and I'm gonna show you guys. You see the foam? We tried to spray it everywhere inside there. You see? But to be honest, the can is a bit small, and I feel like there's not, like, you're gonna need at least probably 2 cans of it. But anyhow, we went ahead, we did that, and we had a little bit left, and I tried to spray some in all the way down there as well. So now we leave it for 15 minutes, and then it says turn the AC on low setting for 5 minutes, and it will evaporate. Alright guys, it's 7:53. It's been more than 10 minutes. So let's take a look how it looks like inside. I actually closed it up so that way. And then, yep, as you see here, okay, there's still a little bit of foam. So, but it's, like I said, it says here 15 minutes actually. So we started at 38 and now it's 54. So we're gonna start the AVAC system. So just close this up, and we're gonna put the fan on low, which is already on low, and we're now gonna circulate the air, and we're gonna keep it on 1, very low, for 5 minutes. So let's say it's 7:55. So at the 8 o'clock we will have that, and what we'll do is keep it 22 degrees Celsius room temperature. Let's make it sync. 22. Perfect. And we'll keep it low for, let's take a look the other side. And yeah, looks very dry. All right, let's take a look if it's dry in there. And okay, it looks completely dry. So we are going to put back the filters, and here they are. I'm gonna also put this back. This is the filter. This one is easy, you just gotta make sure you put it on the right way. There's grooves. You don't want to push it too much, but you want it enough so that way nothing can leak through, and that's it. So, and then this is very simple. You can put this, and it clips right in. Just want to make sure that everything is in fact clipped in. Perfect. And then here I'm going to show you guys how to put this back. So we have this part and this part, and these are the screws. That's all, guys. So first we're going to take the 2 filters, And what we're gonna do is, you see, this filter has to be facing the cabin this way. This is the outside. Now, the other thing you're gonna notice is these tabs, right? So, this one, because there's two of them, so let me make sure I show you guys. Put this light here. Okay, so this is gonna go in here. Okay, gotta make sure that this is out of the way. Alright. Hold on. I'll show you guys maybe this way. Okay, perfect. This is what I want to show you guys. Alright, you see the filter? Hold on. You see? You gotta make sure you grab that tab up here and it makes sure when it goes in, it's gonna go down. You see? See this tab? So now, one filter is down, the other one goes on top of it. And there you have it, guys. One filter down here with its tab, and the second filter with the tab up here. They're both in. And then what you need to do is take this part and close it. And that's all. And then you see right there, that's where we're gonna put the screw. Alright guys, just to show you, we went ahead and put back the screw, and there it is. That's the screw, the T15. And now, what we have to do is put it up. Luckily we didn't take out the speaker, but there are some people that take out these wires just to let you know the light and the speaker. But I didn't have to do that to change the filter. Some people like to do that. You can. So these are just clip-ons, which I'll show you in a second. Alright guys, so there are 4 of these. I already put one in right here. Let's see if you could see. Right there, there's already one. Now we need to put another one here. Here. There. And there. So, it's going to be very simple. We're just going to... let's take a look. You see, all you have to do is put this like this. Make sure this is out first. Put it in like that, and then just push it in. You see? And same thing with this. Put it in like that, and just push it in. And to remove it, you just need like a screwdriver that's the minus, or you could do it with your nail as well. And the last but not least, this goes here, same thing, and that's it. All the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now for the last component, which is this part. This right here, guys. And it clips on. Now, I noticed, just to let you know how I took this out. What I actually did is removed those 4 screws. As you saw, I took that out, and from the top I pulled it from here. I did see a lot of videos, they are starting from here, and they kind of had like a hook, or you could use but I found it easier up there because there was already something to grab and just pull it. So, and then look, this is very simple. It clips back on. You feel it? You hear it? And that's it. They're all clips. And I just, like I said, I'm gonna show you guys. You see, my fingers go in here, and I just found it easier to just grab it from there. I think that's the right way to do it without using tools or anything. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on another video. If you have any questions, comments, comment below. My referral code for Tesla will be down below. If you are interested to buy Tesla, again, I just like the car. It's nothing to, like, I'm not trying to sell anyone a Tesla or anything. I just hopefully this will help you guys out, and let me know what other videos you guys want to see, anything about travel, tech, and design. Thank you for watching. Take care.